open.
Hi, my name is Brian Wolfstrom. I'm with the Henderson firefighters. We're out working today to help clean up a house and do some landscaping and little odds and ends to help the community. This is a project that we're jointly doing with the Rebuild Together, and we're just really excited. We've got about 20 or 30 people out here this morning to help volunteer and give back to the community.
Hi, my name is Dan Pinkowski, President of Henderson Professional Firefighters. It's just a great opportunity out here today to help rebuild the house in our community. So many have been devastated through this recession, and we're throwing our shoulder behind a good cause with Rebuild Together. So please come on out and support the community with your Henderson firefighters.
You're just a pretty face.
I got gloves. Come on, bro. Look at these things.
We've been doing hard work.
Hey, Lego.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
I know the number to 911.
Got forward.
You were on duty.
I see.
That's right. What can be done to prevent this accident?
Oh, I forgot to ask the guys in the backyard.
No, they did.
Come on.
I've got firefighters here helping out. Very much appreciated. I loved a bunch of them.
On that slide that we used to do.
Here we are in the backyard of our home.